on, this drop. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey! Hey, look, this nigga says she win the ass chick Ballon d'Or. That's hilarious, bro. Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Manuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to yet another video. If you're new here, definitely do not leave without liking, subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff, okay? Today we're looking at the very highly requested EP. A lot of people have said this is their EP of the year, Love and Attention by Sarz Lojay. Real quick before we get into it, I have a special announcement to make today. Today's video is brought to you by NordVPN. Other than the obvious reason why a lot of people have been turning to VPNs lately, with all the online activities that we have these days, if you're doing it all without the protection of a VPN, you're putting yourself at unnecessary risk, man. There've been a lot of cases of people getting hacked, notably Jesse Jags that was just hacked the other day, man. Even beyond that, NordVPN reduces your online footprint. Wouldn't it be nice to just window shop online without feeling like you're being watched and later on getting targeted ads and whatnot? You know what I mean? Sometimes we can just search things up for research purposes, you know? And with a lot of VPNs that are out there right now, you hear a lot of complaints about it slowing down their connection, but that's not the case with NordVPN. With over 5,000 servers in 59 countries, you're getting the fastest VPN experience on the market. And the cool thing is you get to secure yourself and the loved ones around you. One account can secure up to 6 devices. And guess what, guys? It comes with an amazing deal. 72% off of your 2-year plan. You know what that means in 2023? Just saying. Plus extra 3 months just for Jara, you know. Best believe this comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, so you have absolutely no reason not to check this one out. Link in the description and in my bio. Ladies and gentlemen, get protected, okay? Now let's get back to the video, shall we? Lojay, I am just finding out about. I have literally no context to his music. But Sarz, on the other hand, we already know, a legendary producer. He has been dropping his own producer project. In 2019, he had an amazing collab project with World. I Love Girls with Trouble. Rave reviews from that one. An amazing album that was a good contender for album of the year that year. And he has also had his instrumental tapes as well. But now we're seeing another collab project with Lojay. I'm excited to check this one out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's go to the first track. This one is called Tonongo.
Champagne stripper, broke out decker, she need moolah, big back pillar, waist on wicked.
Oh shit! Oh, this bass is bassing. Hey! Hey, look, this nigga says she win the ass chick Ballon d'Or. That's hilarious, bro. I'm sorry, but that's funny. That's funny. That's just a funny line. Speaking of Ballon d'Or, Messi is a free agent, man. Come on. Oh! Hey! Okay. Hey, this is fire. Okay, I'm picking up on some of the elements that Sarz is dropping in here. He has this almost kind of like 80s or 90s electronic synth to it in the background. Very subtle though. But Lojay has this delivery of a very confident R&B, like, you know what I mean? Like a very seasoned R&B vocalist, man. Like, he's coming with that flair. He's coming with some form of, can already tell, like, there's some form of experience with his charisma, man. This absolutely is not the first, this is not his first record. There's a reason why Sarz got to him, man. Hello, but what's the connection there? Comment Stapper, do you live in Jalingo? Jalingo is in Taraba. They don't speak French in Taraba. That line would have been hard if they spoke French in Taraba. If you be my layer, will I be your hand solo? Some Star Wars bars there, I see. Wine to the base, to the bottle of scotch. Hey. Oh, this is sexy, man. Okay. Hey. Are you guys hearing those keys? No. Nah, Sarz is spazzing, bro. If you guys are paying attention to the production, Sarz is working, bro. You win the ass chick Ballon d'Or. Put all your soul into it. Hey, this is dope. This is premium, bro. Hey. What a way to open it, bro. This is sick. This is sick. Very, very commanding intro, bro. Hearing those bass synths, man. Almost like a vintage electronic feel on that. Very subtle. And Lojay honestly sounding exquisite on this one, man. Next track, we have Parko times 3. Are you hearing that synth? Now, I know this is going to be the connecting factor of the production on here. He started it off with the intro, and now we're seeing the same element here again. This is wicked, bro. Hey, 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 hey. Shit, get out of here, man. Oh my goodness, bro, what am I hearing? LOL. Bust and bounce like fella. Nah, if you remember fella growing up, man, fella didn't bounce, that as opposed to, you know, Health 5, all those X5 balls. This shit is sounding amazing. This hook is addictive, bro. There's no way, bro. You got to vibe with this one. You just have to. Nah, bro. Sarz. Waiting. Hey. Come on, that drop is nasty, bro. Come on. Nah, I see why people have been chasing me down to review this particular EP, bro. This is sounding 2 tracks in, bro, and I'm like, where am I? Like, what's going on here? Not when you just discover something that's just freakishly amazing. It's like, bro, how did we get here? We know Sarz is amazing, bro, but this guy Lojay, dude, where did they find you, man? Like, bro, not just only the vibe is heavy, but the play of words that this guy is having, man, it's like, bro, I love that very nostalgic metaphor of booty bouncing like fele. That was mad. And I love that he was playing a Abufedrokotinu Methodist, like, I mean, take you to the church so we can put a ring on it, you know. Obviously, the subject matter is as generic as it comes, but I like his play of words, like I said. The production in this just has this really, like, club-centered banger. Just has this really electric element to it that just makes you feel like you should be listening to this with big bass, like in a dark room with a lot of people. It has that kind of aggression to it, you know. Getting to the next track, Love and Attention. This one is with Wiz, okay? Now, Wizkid hasn't had too many features this year, and this is one of those very few. And obviously, Wizkid and Sarz having such a very, very strong history together, it only makes sense that it's coming here to kind of bless and you know what I mean, position or co-sign this artist Lojay. So Lojay and Wiz on the Sarz beat, bro. From what I know of Lojay, man, it sounds amazing, and I can imagine the song to be like freakishly like amazing, man. But anyway, let's get right into it. This is Love and Attention featuring Wiz by Lojay and Sarz. Okay, it's quite therapeutic. So relaxing already. Can you hear that bass building up in the back, bro?
Oh, my darling, pull it down. Fire blood to what? Bring it down.
Oh, this is classic Wiz. It's like a punk sound that we're getting, but it's like almost, it has this very Wiz atmosphere to it, man. Like, it feels like this is made for Wizkid. I can see why he would go with this particular song. That punk is knocking, you know. That punk on this beat is knocking, you know. Hey.
Girl, I need your love and attention. I need your love and attention. I need your love and attention.
This is sick, man.
I really want is your family.
Hey. Nah, he's bringing that patois, that little, you can hear the little dancehall influence to it that makes it feel like a very, very like club-centered banger, you know. Hey. What is this texture, Wiz? What's going on here? What is this wine thing? Hey, what's happening? Hey. They say figure 8 no be 19. Yeah, it's not. Somebody should hold Rema because Wizkid is coming for that sound, bro.
She tell me say the thing is so mine.
Okay, Wiz. That was some interesting engineering on Wizkid's voice there. You can hear the auto-tune a little bit stronger, and especially in the intro, man. Gave it this really like Bollywood-esque kind of feeling to it. Something reminiscent of an Afro rave kind of sound, you know what I mean? But anyway, yeah, this was an interesting verse from Wiz, and I just love that he was playing around with the texture here. Just got a little playful. Obviously tapping into the energy of the song. Okay. Okay, Wizkid is seeing us out. Wizkid is seeing us out. No. Rema is going to say something. Rema has got to say something. There's nothing new under the sun. A lot of people kind of like subconsciously take from what they hear and not intentionally try to hack or jump on someone else's wave. But you can see that there's a strong similarity with what you would hear from today's Rema and what Wizkid has kind of like evolved into in this song. So this is a very interesting direction that Wiz decided to go on with. Nonetheless, not a bad moment, man. Shout out to Sarz again. You have to give the props to the production. I think it's very, very like consistent with what we've been hearing so far on the first two tracks. Having such a strong hook like that to make that line be engraved in every listener's head, man. Girl, I need your love and attention. No. So simple. The element of repetition is used very well here. I loved it, man. For sure, not a bad moment for sure. Next track, Panty.
Lady commando, fire the missile. Carry the sentence in the batipino. Kill any bastard, an unbeliever. What tell me your punda is looking for Bulala. Girl, don't leave me wrong.
Oh, man. Yo. Nah, this guy's delivery is out of here, bro. Like, what was that intro? The way he jumps on the beat is just far too apt, man. It's just too, it's so clean and it's so effective how he enters in, man. Nah, bro. Hey. Yo, this is probably the biggest year of Afro dancehall. So you're hearing a lot more instances and influence of dancehall drum patterns here, and this one just feels like it's in that pocket. Something you wind and grind to, man. I'm here for it, bro.
And then I love you in your panty, 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 panty.
What?
Panty, 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 panty.
He knows how to craft a very, very infectious hook, man. You can hear it, bro.
Tell us of your love and tell us when you leave me. Tell us when you not there my consent.
Hey, imagine Kofi on this, bro. Again, we're getting yet another example of such a strong and captivating hook, man. Like, there's no way this song is not engraved in your head. The repetition is there. It's the flow on the beats as well. Starts taking a more dancehall kind of approach on this. It has this bump and grind kind of feel to it too. Very sexy atmosphere here. Afro dancehall is not here to play this year, man. At all. Next track, we're here for Monalisa. How many times do people name songs Monalisa, bro? Like, I can name like at the top of my head 3 artists that have a song called Monalisa. But anyway, this is a pop record, so. But then again, let's get a little bit more original. Okay, we're going Amapiano here. I don't think I've ever heard Sarz on an Amapiano wave. Has he done that? Emmanuel, what are you saying? Freaking Niniola. Sarz has been on this wave before all these people even started jumping on it. What am I saying? Sarz has been on Afro House for a hot minute, bro. This is smooth. Yeah? Build up, let's go. Okay. Come on. Again, repetition. Hey, he knows how to do it. He knows the secret to it, man. Okay. drop. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey. Hey.
Do you give me sugar? Wala,
Okay. Very smooth keys at the end. Hey yo, that was a fire session, man. That was a fire session. Great EP. I definitely see why a lot of people I definitely see why a lot of people are gravitating to this. This was strong. This was a strong 15 minutes. Okay, strong 15 minutes. Every song was very tight, neat, very efficient in delivering the punching, effective bangers. You know what I mean? Under 3 minutes, left his impact and kept it moving. And I like that. I like that format that they went with. Again, very infectious hooks we're hearing over the repetition elements. He definitely understands how to keep a record engaging. You know what I mean? How to make the listener feel like they're a part of the song, making the chorus, making the meat of the song so simple that your listeners are already picking up on the words and they can remember every word of the song just from the first chord progression. Definitely strong hooks all over this place, man. From a production standpoint, for 5 tracks, we got quite a palette here. We had a pom-pom sound, we had a reggaeton, like a dancehall bop. We got very sensual, very moody atmospheres from the intros. Monalisa with amapiano, all of that was still connected with a very strong presence of electronic synths that Sarz was laying over each track, man. You could hear the transition, you could hear how it flowed from track to track. My first impression on Lojay as an artist is absolutely amazing on this. His delivery, his charisma on each record. There are definitely lines you'll be picking up the second or third listen that you have for each song here. He's very witty with his pen game, kind of clever lines here and there, and that's what we love to see in the pop ads. Overall, a great impression, great EP. My favorites on this would be, I think Tonongo would be my favorite, man. That was such a loud and impactful intro, man. I think I'm following with Tonongo. That Tonongo was hard. My least favorite here would, funny enough, be the one with Wiz. I think that was my least impactful song. It felt more dated compared to how futuristic the rest of the songs, or at least very present to what's hidden right now. This had a pom-pom kind of sound. That offered my first listen. My rating on this one, a lot of fire projects coming out this year. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. How would you rate it? Let me know what your favorite tracks here and what were your least favorite tracks. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the link in the description for NordVPN. I also have my interview series called So Can Gary with. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for riding with your boy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.